In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete my profile in Duolingo. We will walk through this together so your account is fully removed and nothing is left half-finished. First, open the Duolingo website where you sign in. Use the same address you normally visit in your browser and wait for the page to load completely. You should see the familiar Duolingo logo and your usual login screen or your home screen if you are already signed in. If you are not logged in, sign in with the account you want to delete so the website knows which profile you are working with. Once you are on the Duolingo website and signed in, click More, shown as 3 dots. You will usually find this in the top menu area of the page. When you click it, a small drop-down menu appears under the 3 dots. This menu gives you extra options that are not shown on the main toolbar, and that is where Duolingo hides some account controls. From that drop-down menu, click Settings. As soon as you click, Duolingo opens a new page or panel for your account settings. You should now see different sections related to your account, such as login, notifications, or privacy, depending on what Duolingo currently offers. This is where all your personal account controls live. Now open the Profile tab. Look for the word Profile at the top or along the side of the settings page and click it once. The Profile tab focuses on your identity on Duolingo, including your username, picture, and sometimes connected accounts. Once it opens, you should notice that the content on the screen changes to show details about your profile rather than general settings. With the Profile tab open, scroll to the bottom. Use your mouse wheel or the scroll bar until you reach the very end of the page. Near the bottom, Duolingo often groups actions that affect your whole account, so you may see options that look a bit more serious than simple preferences. Make sure you actually reach the final section, not just close to it, because the deletion option is usually placed right at the end. At the very bottom of the Profile tab, click Delete My Account. The text might look smaller or highlighted in a warning color to signal that it is a permanent action. When you click it, Duolingo will show a prompt or a message explaining that your account is scheduled for deletion, so you can double-check that you chose the right option. Next, confirm the deletion. On the prompt that appears, choose the option that confirms you do want to delete your account. After you do this, Duolingo usually tells you that a confirmation email has been sent. That message is your sign that the website has started the deletion process but has not finished it yet. Finally, open the confirmation email and click the verification link. Go to the inbox of the email address connected to your Duolingo account and look for a new message from Duolingo about deleting your account. Open it, then click the link inside to verify that you requested the deletion. When that page loads, your Duolingo profile is queued for full removal and you will no longer be able to use it. You have now completely deleted your Duolingo profile from the website, so please give this video a thumbs up if it helped and consider subscribing for more clear how-to guides.